Zingaphezu kwamakhulu amabili izisebenzi zezempilo ezivela eCuba ezitheleke la eNingizimu Afrika namhlanje ekuseni ukuzokwelekelela izwe njengoba lilwa nobhubhane lwesifo iCovid-19. Lelithimba lifaka phakathi ama-physicians, epidemiologists kanye nama-biotechnologists. Phambilini ke iNingizimu Afrika ibithumela izinsiza eCuba ukuze ikwazi ukulwana lesifo.
Nuestro país y sus médicos han sido educados en la idea de salvar vida.
Lawa ngamazwi ashiwo umholi waseCuba ongasekho naye ethi akusindiswe impilo yabantu. Manje lamazwe abekhombisa ubumbano. Izisebenzi zaseCuba engamakhulu amabili neshumi nesikhombisa itheleke kulelizwe ukuzofaka isandla emzamweni yokulwa nalesifo.
We know you are not the first brigade. You will not be the last one. You've been in the African continent for time immemorial. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the people of Cuba.
We thank each and every one of the Cuban health professionals who are part of this team for their personal commitment and sacrifice in order to assist South Africa's efforts to curb COVID-19.
When we were fighting for freedom, they were with us. When we were fighting Ebola in West Africa, the Cubans were there with us.
Which shows today what socialism is capable of doing when many big capitalist countries are failing even to confront this invisible enemy as the Cubans are actually doing.
eCuba ezivela ithumele odokotela baye bangaphezu kwe-1,200 ibathumele emazweni angama-21 emhlabeni. Lelithimba eliseNingizimu Afrika lizovalelwa ngalodwana amasonto amabili ePitoli ngaphambi kokuthi lijutshelwe izifundazweni ezehlukene. Lapha ke kupheqeka ikhasi elisha ebudlelwaneni ophakathi kweNingizimu Afrika kanye neCuba.